All right, folks, guess what we have here today? The Stealth 700 Gen 3, and this is for Xbox, but also this is the multi-platform version of the headset. So you get to play this on Xbox, get to play this on PS5, so Series X, Series S, PS5, PC. So this is the one you want to get if you are looking to use on multiple platforms, and Nintendo Switch dock also. So definitely this is the one to get. So let's unbox it. And these are the headsets right here. And this is the box that it comes in. So we have the Stealth 700 Gen 3 for Xbox. Again, right over here it says for all these here, and mobile, because it also does have Bluetooth. So it gets crossplay. We have two transmitters with this one. So two transmitters. One's going to be dedicated to the Xbox console, and the other one will be the USB you would use on everything else, like the PS5, PS4, Nintendo Switch dock, and your PC. So definitely, this is what we got here. This is how it looks in the box here. Boom, boom. And there's all the information here that's going to tell you. So unidirectional flip to mute mic. Metal reinforced. Crossplay button. So you can have these USBs plugged into, one to your Xbox, the other one into your PlayStation or your PC or the dock of your Nintendo Switch. And then you can actually just press the switch button, so the quick switch button, and boom, you're connected right to that console or PC. And then we have superhuman hearing. We also have glasses friendly, 80-hour battery life, and 60mm drivers, dual drivers. So yeah, that's pretty dope. That's how the top looks like. So pretty dope. So let's see what we got here. Let's open it up and see what we got. So it's going to come with this information. Now it's going to tell you to go ahead and make sure you update your headset. So they have like the Swarm 2 app that you can go ahead and update your headset. Looks like you got to plug in both the transmitters. You can download this on your mobile or your PC, and you can do the Swarm 2 or PC Mac and download that Swarm 2 app, and you can do your updates. Now it's going to need 2 USB ports for this update. So we got that there. Now it comes wrapped, and as you can see, I also have another one there, so I'm not going to unwrap it. But this is how it comes in. So it's going to come in like this. And then you have the 2 USB transmitters. And then you also have the cable here, USB-C cable to USB-A. So definitely dope on that part. Now it also has some buttons here. So we have, power button. We have the volume wheels. Then we have the mode button, so all your modes. And then on this side, we have the quick switch, right? Then we have the volume button. So this volume button, which is pretty cool about this headset, the volume button on this side controls your Bluetooth. So no more needing to just use your headset on one side here to control your Bluetooth. Now you have your separate Bluetooth volume button with the Bluetooth button there. And this is your LED indicator. And again, the flip to mute mic has a nice soft cushion like we're used to. It does have the metal portion here, but everything else looks to be plastic. And definitely look at these ear cushions. These cushions are similar to almost like the Stealth 700 Gen 2s, but they're definitely soft. Look at that. It just goes right in. These are definitely good. I wear glasses, and it's really nice on the head. And also you have the Turtle Beach brand in here. And look how much it folds out. So yeah, definitely way to go if you want to get a multi-platform without spending too much. I think these run for $200, and it's definitely the way to go. So I appreciate everybody taking a look at this review. Definitely smash that like button for me. Turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and we'll definitely catch you on the next review with another video. And this is how to pair the Stealth 700 Gen 3 for Xbox, the Xbox version, to your Xbox Series X or S, or even your Xbox One, One S, One X console. So definitely what you're going to want to do first is take out the USB transmitter that's in your box, and it's going to actually say, if it clears up here, let me zoom in a little bit, it's going to say Xbox on it. So right off the bat, you're not going to want to use the one that says USB. That would be for your PlayStation and for your Nintendo Switch dock. But you're going to get the one that said Xbox here. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug it into a USB port on your Xbox. So let's go ahead and plug it in. If I can plug it in here. There we go. That's step number one. So as you can tell, it's blinking green. So now what you're going to want to do is grab your headset. And we're going to grab our headset here. And again, Stealth 700 Gen 3 for Xbox. There's a power button right here next to the charging port. You're going to turn that on. You're going to start hearing it. And look, right away, headset assigned. You'll see that pop up once it's paired. Now, the transmitter will be blinking red. That means it is on mute. So if I unmute the headset, just like so. So I've unmuted the headset. And there you go. It'll turn green. So if I want to mute, see again, fold it back up, the microphone, now it's muted. So now we are connected to the Xbox console. Let's go ahead and go into any game. Let's just say Madden 24. And let's see if we get some audio out of the headset. And there you go. So it looks like we're all paired up here to the Xbox console, and that's how you do it. And we'll get, if you like this tutorial, how to pair it up, and you want to see the PlayStation, I have a PlayStation 4, but if you want to see that or connect it to a PC with the pairing, leave a comment down on the video. Definitely make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And definitely go ahead and get yourself a new pair of Stealth 700 Gen 3s for Xbox. How-to video, and this one's for the Stealth 700 Gen 3 Xbox version. So you know you have two USBs that come with the headset. One is for the Xbox, which we have down here, the Xbox Series X. But the other one is a USB. So the other one's labeled USB in the package, and that one actually would work on the PC, PlayStation 5, and also your Nintendo Switch docked. So what are we going to do today? We're going to show you how to get it paired up so you can have some wireless audio through your Nintendo Switch dock. And then again, your transmitter or USB here. Let's focus up here. Sorry about that. It's going to say USB. Fortunately, my camera's not taking it well here. Not focusing up right. But it's going to say USB on there. There we go. So, let's get this USB plugged into the dock and let's see what happens here. So, we're going to go ahead, plug it right in. Boom. Now, already the audio stopped from the TV, as you heard just now. It's blinking. Now let's get our Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 ready to go. So let's get to the power button. Boom, power button. It's connecting. I don't know if you heard that, but it said wireless. And now audio is coming through the headset. So now it's red because the transmitter is red because the microphone is up. So you can put the microphone down. Now this transmitter, see, microphone down, transmitter is green. That means your microphone is up and running. You close it, boom, turns red again. But let's get the audio pumped up on here so you can hear the audio coming from the game. So there you go. Same audio that you heard from the TV a few minutes ago is now on your Turtle Beach 700 Gen 3 headset. So boom, this is the how-to on how to get it paired up with your Nintendo Switch dock. Again, gonna plug in that transmitter that says USB on there. Then turn on your headset and they'll pair up really quick. So you'll automatically know when it's already paired because you start to hear audio right through your headset. So if you like these tutorials and you like this how-to, or if you have any questions, definitely leave a comment on the video. Definitely smash that like button. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll be back with another tutorial on how to pair it up with our PlayStation 4, because I don't have a PlayStation 5. And I have a PC, so we'll do those next. If you want any other how-tos on this particular headset, the Stealth 700 Gen 3 for Xbox, leave a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys on the next
This one's
one.
how to pair your Stealth 700 Gen 3, and I have the Xbox version. And we're going to pair via Bluetooth to an iPad, so an OS device, or you can actually do these same instructions for your Android device. So pretty simple to do. You're actually going to go ahead and turn on your headset, so which we're doing now. Let's turn it on. Now you want to go to your Bluetooth side of your headset. So let's take a look, and you should hear a Bluetooth pairing. If you don't hear the Bluetooth pairing, or if you didn't hear that here, now it's popping up on our iPad here. So you want to click on it, obviously right here, boom, go cancel. So let's go ahead and now it should pop up on your list of devices. Now that we have it paired, let's go ahead and open up a video. So this is my other how-to video on how to connect the headset to the Nintendo Switch dock, which you can take a look at on the channel. But now you should be able to hear the audio now from the headset. So let's raise it up. Okay, so we have the volume raised up here.
Same audio that you heard from the TV a few minutes ago is now.
And there you go.
Gen 3 headset.
It is on the headset now. So that's how you pair, how you connect via Bluetooth to the 700 Gen 3. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.